Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you an Amazon clothing haul that I did recently, and we got this right here, which is going to be a nightgown that I'll be opening, and then this is like a pajama short set, like a pajama short set, and then this is a shirt, and then this is going to be a nightgown. So I am going to start opening all these up off camera for you guys, and I will be right back. Alright guys, let's see what we got here. Okay, so this is this is a tank top, and it feels like, I can't explain. Let me see if it says where the tag says. It's like a polyester, but anyway. Okay, so this is the top. Look at the top. Okay, this is the brand, and they had different colors. So that's a tank top, and then this is the shorts. Actually, this would be better if I hang these up and show you. I'll be right back again. Okay, I'm losing my natural lighting here because it's starting to get dark. Okay, so this is Enjoy Night, is the brand on Amazon, and this is a nice like a lavender color, and it's got the hearts on it, and it is a nightgown. And then I'm gonna show you the shirt that I got. What was the brand name on this? It's got tags on the bottom here. Let's see if it has any tags on. When I said the bottom, I meant the sleeves. However, okay, I don't see. I mean, I could put everything in the description box for you guys, but this is a shirt, and I don't think I will be vlogging like this again when I'm showing clothes, because I'm actually, which I could just put this on a tripod, but I don't sometimes. But anyway, this is a shirt that they had on Amazon. Now, they did have it in different colors, like this remained the same, the stripes right here, and then this design here. However, they did have this in like black, and I forgot, maybe like green and purple. I don't remember. Just, you know how they give you like a lot of different options and stuff with colors, and it's hard for me to remember sometimes what it is on Amazon, because there's so many different products and choices and colors. And so what is this? Just Love. Okay, so it's Just Love is for this nightgown, and again, I believe it was like different colors and stuff like that. And I like that it has the buttons right here, and I think this is cute. This is so cute. I love the little penguins, and what is they hold in here? Coffee cups in different colors. Okay, like pink coffee cup and whatever, blue, green. So yeah, but the next time I will definitely be showing you guys either like not, like kind of not vlogging it, and then this is the shorts to that other set, which again, this came in different colors. It's kind of hard for me to lay this out here. So you have, the strings, and then on the side it's like a little bit of like a black lace, and I just really love this color. I really like this color, but again, I know that they had other options, and then it's tank top. So you got the tank top. This is more for like, you know, summer, I guess. Even the nightgowns, I think they're like short sleeve I ordered. I didn't think that they were long sleeve. Is it short sleeve? Yeah. This one is short sleeve, and I think the other nightgown is also short sleeve, and I do believe they had options for the long sleeve in the pajamas in the nightgowns, so which I don't like personally. I'm pretty sure I got short sleeve, but yeah. So that is my little Amazon, and this is not a nightgown. This was just a regular long sleeve shirt. But that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.